guys, I'm Aradhya and today we're going to study chapter number 6, Understanding Our Criminal Justice System, and it's of the civics one of class 8 NCERT. So we're going to discuss some back questions, important questions, some important topics you need to more focus on, and a revision at the end. So yeah, this is a very helpful video and do like it and subscribe to my channel guys. I really do need your support. So let's get started with the first question. What is the role of public prosecutor? So you have already read the chapter, I hope. So in this we're going to answer it in 5 points basically. So let's get started with first point. And yes guys, one tip is do write your answer in points. Like for if it's 3 marker question, then write 3 points. If 5 marker, then write 5 points. You will gain extra marks. First point, in the court it is the public prosecutor who represents the interest of the state. It's not by himself. He's not representing him or the victim or something like that. He's presenting the interest of the state. Okay guys, then wait a second. Interest of the state. Second is the role of the public prosecutor begins once the police has conducted an investigation and has filed a charge sheet. Okay guys, before like he do not play any role in the investigation and conduct the prosecution on behalf of the state. So he's not going to be like dishonest with something and gonna hide something for everyone. He's gonna be like true to himself and true for the state because he's representing it. Then the fourth point here is, as an officer of the court, it is her or him duty to act impartially, as I told you before. And then the fifth point is, he or she has to present full facts, witnesses, evidences before the court so that the judge can decide the like outcome or the result basically. So you can screenshot or you can pause the video to read it. You can also frame it to 3 points. 3-point answer. Moving on to the second question. What is the role of a judge? So we talked about public prosecutor. Now we're going to focus on judge. So you can start by giving an example like he is the umpire in a game and conducts a trial impartially in an open court. Okay guys, the judge hears all the witnesses and any other evidences present by the prosecution and the defense. The prosecution is the one who implies like files the case, like files the FIR, and the defense is one to try like defend himself. Okay, he's not done anything wrong. So this is the second point. Moving on to the third point, the judge decide whether the accused person is guilty or innocent on the basis of the evidence only. Okay, and according to the law, in the accused is convicted, then the government pronounces sentence and like all the fine, he can impose a fine and even send a person to the jail. Okay, what law prescribe? This is a very good answer and it can come as a 5 marker. So guys, pause this and read it. Very beautifully written. Moving on to the third question, which is, what is a fair trial? So the most of the this chapter was on the fair trial and the case of Shanti. So you can give an example of Shanti case in 2, so get like extra marks. Okay guys, so first point we're gonna do is like Shanti was given a copy of charge sheet and all the evidences the prosecution has presented. Okay, so in that, in fair trial, the defense get all the charge sheets and evidences presented by the opposition or like the prosecution, and Shanti was charged of the theft of the gold chain of that her owner. Okay, and then the second point is, the trial was held in an open court. So trial is always held in an open court in the public view and a brother could attend a hearing. Moving on, third point, Shanti was defended by a lawyer who was given an opportunity to cross-examine. So like in a trial, you do have like the defense is defended by a lawyer. They can hire any lawyer, and it's the duty of the state to provide them with a lawyer if they can't, if they are poor, basically. Moving on to the fourth point, the advocate Roy was given an opportunity to present like witnesses in Shanti's defense. Okay, although the police filed a case of theft against Shanti, the judge assumed her to be honest, and it was the responsibility of the prosecution to prove beyond reasonable doubt of Shanti was guilty. So okay, like even after police like said she's the theft, she stole the golden chain, but the judge of the trial did say that she was innocent and the like false, that the case was false. Guys, so you can just screenshot this or pause it to read it again. Moving on to the important the important topic you need to focus on. Okay guys, so you need to focus on article 22. You can check on your book, it is written there. It can come as a 5 marker and even a 3 marker to write like any like what come under the article 22, writing 3 points and like that. It can come like that. Then there is TK Basu guidelines. It's also given in the book. You can go through that. It can come as a like again a 3 marker or a 5 marker, so you need to like go through it very clearly. Moving on to the revision of this chapter, guys. So what are the probabilities of topics that can come is like if you're doing it late night and you haven't studied much, you can just go through all the things listed here to like secure good marks. So first is page 77, glossary 1. Like remember all the glossaries of any page, like remember the glossaries, it's important. It can come as a 1 marker. Okay, moving on the 4 keys, like you need to have a good brief description of the police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer and judge. It's all written in page 70, I believe. Okay, moving on, you also need to remember the role of police in the investigation. Okay, and you need to do go through what is FIR. It's written on page 72, and what is article, it's written on 71, and DK Basu guidelines, as I told you, they can come as 3 or 5 marker. Then you need to like write, like remember public prosecutor, it's page 73, role of judge 73. I have already told you the answer and it's literally 5 markers, so advantage for you. And then you need to remember what is a fair trial and how is a fair trial. It can come as a 5 marker. It's written on page 73 with the help of case study of Shanti. And then the last thing is you can also go through the article 39A, which is on 68, the yellow box. It can come as a 1 marker, guys. This is it, guys. If you like my this chapter review and full explanation, then do like it. And yes, guys, thank you. Bye. Do subscribe to my channel.